Is Dropship Agent the right dropshipping solution for you? This review covers my experience and key features. Find links to Dropship Agent and related resources in the description below. Dropship Agent offers personalized sourcing and fulfillment for dropshippers aiming to boost product quality, speed up shipping, and streamline order management. Unlike typical platforms, it takes a hands-on approach to sourcing and building a solid business foundation. A standout feature is custom sourcing. Instead of pre-listed products, Dropship Agent helps source high-quality items directly from manufacturers, letting you offer unique, niche products exceeding generic marketplace quality. Faster shipping is another advantage. Using warehouses strategically placed in the US and other regions, they reduce shipping times in key markets, boosting customer satisfaction and retention. Dropship Agent also provides private labeling, adding logos, custom packaging, and inserts for a professional, cohesive brand identity, essential for competitive markets. The platform integrates seamlessly with Shopify, syncing products, tracking orders, and automating fulfillment. From order placement to delivery, Dropship Agent handles everything, providing a hands-free experience. Dedicated account managers offer personalized support, optimizing your operations. While potentially more expensive than traditional platforms, the value in product quality, shipping, and branding makes it worthwhile. Dropship Agent is excellent for dropshippers seeking a custom, high-quality sourcing and fulfillment solution. Its personalized approach, branding options, and faster shipping are ideal for building a reputable, scalable business. Check the links below to explore Dropship Agent and see if it fits your dropshipping goals. This review should help you decide.